Hello, second graders! We're on session 4 of our science e-lesson, and with you is Miss Pearl. Today we will start with Unit 6, Lesson 1. What changes Earth? You can find this topic on pages 225 to 231 of your textbook. We have two objectives for this lesson. One is to observe how natural events can change the Earth's surface. And the other one is to make and show a model of how volcano erupts. All set? Let's start! Do you know why people are leaving their homes in this picture? Good thinking. They are living because of a natural event called volcanic eruption. Let's look at how volcanic eruption can change the Earth. Volcanic eruption can destroy homes of animals and can cause them difficulty looking for food. Houses, plants, and the whole area near the volcano were destroyed and covered with ash. Earth is always changing. Some changes are fast and some are slow. Let's look at other natural events that can change the surface of the Earth. Do you know this natural event? Is this erosion or forest fire? Very good. This is forest fire. What is forest fire? Forest fire is a fire burning uncontrolled on land. How can forest fire change the surface of the Earth? Trees and plants are burnt. Animals don't have homes and food to eat. What kind of change is forest fire? Is it a fast change or a slow change? Very good. Forest fire is a fast change. Can you name this natural event? Is this earthquake or storm? Bravo! This is an earthquake. And what is an earthquake? Earthquake is a sudden, violent shaking of the land. How can earthquake change the surface of the Earth? Roads are destroyed, buildings or houses are down, and a break in the land can be seen. What kind of change is an earthquake? Is it a fast change or a slow change? Great! An earthquake is a fast change. What about this natural event? Can you name this? Is this weathering or flood? Bravo! This is flood. And what is flood? Flood is an overflow of water on dry ground. How can flood change the surface of the Earth? When flood water recedes or goes down, the damage left behind can be devastating. Homes and buildings are destroyed. What kind of change is flood? Is it a fast change or a slow change? Very good. Flood is a fast change. Do you know this natural event? Is it storm or drought? Wonderful! This is a storm. A storm is a bad weather with strong winds, rain, thunder, and lightning. How can storm change the surface of the earth? Houses, trees, power lines are down. Roads are blocked because of cut trees. What kind of change is storm? Is it a fast change or a slow change? Very good. Storm is a fast change. What do you call this natural event? Is it flood or weathering? Bingo! This natural event is weathering. And what is weathering? Weathering happens when wind and water break down rocks into smaller pieces. How can weathering change the surface of the earth? If you look at the picture, a part of the rock breaks, but this takes a long time. So what do you think is weathering? Is it a fast change or a slow change? Terrific! Weathering is a slow change. Ooh, this natural event looks scary. What do you think is this natural event? Is this erosion or storm? Yes, louder. Very good. This is erosion. And what is erosion? Erosion happens when wind and water moves rocks and soil. How can erosion change the surface of the earth? Erosion can change the shape of the land. Now, what kind of change is erosion? Is it a fast change or a slow change? In this picture, you will see that the change looks as if it's fast. But basically, erosion is a slow change. It comes after weathering. So now, what kind of change is erosion? You're really a good listener. Erosion is a slow change. The last natural event we have here is... Oh, we have seen the answer already. Is drought. And what is drought? Drought is a long time with very little rain. How can drought change the surface of the earth? Well, during drought, there is less food supply because of dry land and habitat of animals are damaged. Drought can last a long time. That's why it is a slow change. Now I think you can answer this on your own. Review time. Let's answer the easy part. Write the word for each clue using the alphabet guide. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your time. I know you can do this. For the average part, circle the name of the natural event in the picture. Look at the picture. Is this volcanic eruption or earthquake? Circle your answer. Picture number 2. Is this an earthquake or drought? Picture number 3. Is this forest fire or flood? Now those who are done can answer the challenge part. How are flood and volcanic eruption the same? And how are they different? Page 2 of the worksheet says that you have to identify the change as fast or slow and write your answer on the line inside the box. So you have number 1, earthquake, 2, flood, 3, drought, 4, forest fire, 6, weathering. 5, weathering, 6, erosion, 7, volcanic eruption. Now because this question was given already, so if you want, you can do number 2. Draw an example of a fast and slow change that can change the Earth's surface. Label your drawing. And don't forget to take a picture of the worksheet with your answers and send it to your portfolio. For our Class Dojo activity, you are given 2 choices. You just choose one. Okay, so for number 1, the first activity is open Class Dojo. Record a video of your volcanic eruption activity and send this to portfolio. Or if you want to do activity 2, open Class Dojo, draw a volcano and tell how it can change the Earth's surface. And send your drawing and answer to portfolio. Here's a video on how you can make your own erupting volcano. 1. You need a cardboard to serve as your volcano. Make a cone out of the cardboard and this will serve as your volcano. Okay, set this aside. You also need liquid soap. Baking soda and vinegar. So again, cardboard, liquid soap, baking soda, and vinegar. Get ready with your setup. You can use an empty plastic bottle. Okay, put baking soda inside the plastic bottle, a little of soap, and vinegar. Get ready for this. Oh, that's so cool! Would you like to make your own? Okay, I know you can do this. Just make sure to ask help from your parents. It's time to say thank you and goodbye. See you in the next lesson. Bye.